Look how slow is this Thomas, streamlined Thomas. So now let me explain what's going on. There is a lot of hair between the wheel and the side road. That could be hair or carpet threads. So we gotta remove that. It's very easy and simple to do. Now once we have access to the chassis, I'm using a fork, any fork. I'm using this because it's easy for everybody to get access to forks. Now with a knife, very careful, untangle or cut the threads or the hair. Make sure it's very clean, and we snap again the wheel with the side rod. So we're going to do the same operation with the other side of the engine. Now once it's clean, we are going to do another test to see if this engine runs faster. And it looks the wheels are spinning a little faster. Now let's put these engines side by side again. So far so good. I think it's the same speed. What do you guys think? I hope you guys find this tip very helpful. Some of you might not notice that this is the main problem of slow Trackmaster 2 engines.